Hey, what's up guys? This is Eric here, and today we are going to figure out how to set the time on a CS123BA. Now, when I got into my hotel room this afternoon, this clock was a hot mess. This is the CS123BA with MP3 and line input, but as you can see, it says it's 8:41 right now, and it's actually just 3:30. So what we're gonna do is flip this clock over to this little clock button, tap that, and now start hitting this button, or rather hold it. Hold on. Clock. It's hard to do with one hand. And now just hold down this button here. And eventually it'll start going faster. You can see it count down. So like I said, 3:30. Oh. Just keep going. And now if you go too far, you can hit this button here. And it'll go back up. Yep, there you go. 3:30. And then when you're done, hit the clock button one more time. And that... Oh, no, hit the enter button. I'm sorry. Hit the enter button. And then there you go. 3:30.